In this video today, we will see how to download WhatsApp status video of other contacts in your Android phone. But before that, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for our latest tips and tricks for free. For this one, we will go to Samsung folder. We will go to My Files. We will go to Internal Storage. Then we will go scroll down and go to WhatsApp. Then we will go to Media. And what we will do is we will tap on this More option here. We will go to Settings. We will activate Show Hidden Files. And we will go back. Then we will go to Status. So these are the WhatsApp status video of my contacts in my Android phones. If I want to download any of this WhatsApp status video, I will tap and hold the video. Then I'll tap on this More option here. Move. And I can move it to internal storage or I can move it to SD card. I'll select SD card. Then you can create a folder. Then you can give a name to the folder. Then create. Then done. Now the WhatsApp status video has moved to the folder in SD card. So this is how you can download WhatsApp status videos of other contact in your Android phone.